Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to SneakerTalk365 for a brand new sneaker review. This has been a long-awaited review and just a special treat for you guys. If you are part of the SneakerTalk365 family, we are giving away the pair of sneakers for review today. Yes, we are doing a Yeezy giveaway. You would know about this already if you're subscribed to the main channel Sneaker Talk. I did a what I got for Christmas video part 1 and part 2. By watching those two videos and by commenting on them, those are two ways you can enter for this giveaway. And your third way to enter into the Zebra Yeezy giveaway is by watching this video right here and commenting your thoughts and opinions on the shoe, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that thumbs up button down below. There'll be a fourth way you can enter over on Instagram on SneakerTalk365, so follow us there, SneakerTalk365 on Instagram, for more details on the fourth and final way to enter the giveaway. This giveaway will only be running for about 3 more days. So if you're early, you know, congrats, you have a really good chance at winning. Not too many people have entered this giveaway, so this might be your best bet to get some free Yeezys. But with that said, we have the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zebras in this box. Let's get it open and let's do this very, very late review. So first thing you're gonna notice about this shoe is the box is your typical Yeezy Boost 350 V2 box. We have Boost on the side right here. It says 350 on the top side right here. Here's a look at the box label. This one was purchased from, I believe, Foot Locker, and this is a Canadian pair. So here are the international tags. I know some people think these are fake because the box tags are different than the American pairs. No, that's just how it is. So if you get a pair that looks like this, it's most likely from Canada. So let's slide open the box, and we're also going to be talking about the differences in this pair compared to the OG Zebras, because they aren't exactly the same, and I actually have a pair of the OG Zebras which I rock very frequently. So first thing you're gonna notice is there is the typical brown tissue paper included with the box. If your pair does not have the exact same wrinkles as this, it is clearly fake, so make sure you have the right wrinkles. You know, each one has to be very, it has to look exactly like this. So compare your brown paper to my brown paper. If it doesn't look exactly the same, then you should probably use it as toilet paper. So now that that's out of the way, whew, these are really clean. I forgot what it was like to hold a clean pair of Zebra Yeezys. My pair is pretty dirty. They've gotten pretty dirty over time, but let me do a quick little smell test right here. Smells good. It smells like it's made in China. Zebras are an expensive pair of sneakers, just like all the other Yeezys. Made in China. Retail price was 300 Canadian dollars or 220 US. Now, before, the Zebras used to have very, very high resale. They were probably one of the most expensive Yeezys you could buy when it came to the 350s. Resale prices were around 1,000 plus the first drop, and then when they restocked them, it dropped to around $600 Canadian or so, 500 or so. And now, with this big restock again on these, you can probably pick these up for anywhere between 20 to 50 Canadian dollars over retail. Now these were sitting in Canada, and I actually ended up buying not one pair, but I think I bought like 3 or 4. So if I have some extras, I might be able to sell them to some of you guys for retail. If you're a channel member on the main channel, we're just gonna probably just sell a bunch of really good sneakers for retail to the channel members. So think about becoming a channel member if you haven't yet already. So if you guys haven't yet seen the Zebras on other channels yet, this is my little review for you guys. So let me bring these sneakers up close, show you guys some of the details. We'll talk about sizing information and comfort in a second, and then I'll show you guys how these compare to the original release right after. So first up, let's bring these bad boys up close and personal. So these Zebras feature a prime knit upper from Adidas. We have white, we have black. This color scheme is really simple, so it's gonna go with a lot of your outfits. Some people ask me, you know, what kind of outfits can I wear with the Zebras? Are they hard to match? Are they hard to wear? In my opinion, I think the Zebras are a very, very easy pair of sneakers to wear. They aren't gonna clash with, you know, many different colors. If you have maybe blue or red or orange, the little hit of red doesn't really make a huge difference in terms of not being color coordinated. So this is pretty much an Oreo sneaker, a black and white shoe, which is gonna go with a lot of your outfits. So if you're looking for a pair of sneakers that is going to be a shoe that you can wear very often with a lot of outfits. This is, I think, a sneaker that you're gonna get a lot of good value out of, and you'll be able to get a lot of wear out of it too. And the thing is with these, even if they get dirty, like I'll show you guys my dirty pair in a second, even as they get dirty, the pattern on the upper of the shoe does a really good job at hiding the dirt, besides the massive white stripes right here on the side. But for the most part, this is a shoe that I've continued to beat up and wear, and they still look good even if they are beat up, which is not something you can say for most white running shoes. With that said, let's take a look again up close at the shoes. You got the white rope laces right here. They don't include any extra laces. Here's a look at the tongue. Has a very pointy kind of tongue right here. On the inside of the booty, we have the 3 stripes, and this is actually a 3M reflective material, so it will reflect in you know, flashlights and stuff like that if you take a photo with flash. Here's a look at the booty. You guys can see the curves. Usually a lot of the fakes, they have really flat booties like that, so it's got to be a right amount of curvature. Here's a look at the back. You also got that famous tab as well. It is not super stiff. It's like a good amount of, it has a good amount of give. Usually fakes are super stiff or they're super loose, but for the most part you can move it around a little bit, but this has really good structure overall. We have the Supply 350 right here in reverse, and on the bottom of the shoe you guys can see we got the full length Boost outsole right here. We have Boost all underneath this midsole. This midsole is really cool. There's a lot of ribbing to it, so it's nice little texture they have going on. And yeah, that's pretty much the look. Oh, and the Adidas Yeezy branding on the insole is also there too. So yeah, in terms of sizing and comfort for the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2, I would recommend going your true size in these Yeezys. Actually, I'm not sure how these compare to the original Yeezys, so let me try these on feet really quickly. I feel like they're making the new Yeezys tighter and tighter than before. So you could go half a size up in the Zebra Yeezy Boost 350 V2s, at least the new releases. My older pair is a size 10, and I've been wearing them for many months now, almost a year, and they feel great true to size. So I would recommend going your true size. I know the sizing sounds very complicated, but true to size is my recommendation. Once you break them in, they're gonna be perfect. But if you're a bit too concerned with the tightness around the toe area, you can go half a size up. And of course, an option you can always do is take out the insole, which is very easy to remove, and you can just wear them without the insole, and there really isn't that much of a difference in terms of comfort. So it's gonna be that same comfortable shoe even without that insole. Now, in terms of comfort, gotta say, very comfortable shoe, on point, similar to the Adidas Ultra Boost. So if you have an Ultra Boost in your collection, these Yeezys are gonna feel very similar to that of the Ultra Boost. So yeah, if you're looking for that hype shoe that's also comfortable, that you can wear very often, the Zebras are easily a sneaker I would recommend you guys check out. Now, the main differences between the Zebra Yeezy, the restock pair, versus the older pair, which I have right here, and we'll see if you guys can see how dirty they are. You can see the holes, how there's like dirt around the holes on the inside. So there's only really one difference between the original Zebra Yeezys and the restock pair, is that the outsole, you guys can see it's super yellow. The outsole on the original Zebra Yeezys are a bit more yellowed than the OG pair. The OG pair is very clean, creamy white, so it will be more of a dirt magnet over time, but this is what the Zebra Yeezys will look like after you've worn them for almost a year, you could say. I don't have a brand new pair of the OG Zebras, but yeah, this is my pair right here, and I haven't cleaned these at all. I've worn these for almost a year now. What I wish I would have done was I would have sold, or I should have sold these before the new pairs restocked, because these still had decent resale value, and I easily could have sold the original Zebra Yeezys for retail even after wearing them a whole bunch. Like, I could have cleaned these up, sold them for retail, and then buy a brand new pair for, you know, retail. So I could have, you know, just yeah, I could have done that if I really wanted to, but I didn't realize how quickly the restock was coming. With that said, if you guys did make it to the very end of the video, and again want to get this free pair right here for absolutely free, this is a size 10 pair. So it turns out I have 3 sizes left for the Zebra Yeezys in my collection. I have a size 8, a size 9, and a size 10 pair. So if those are your sizes, good luck for the giveaway. If they're not your size, maybe you'll find a place where you can size swap them, or you can just sell them and buy your pair in your size. So to enter this giveaway, the rules will be very simple. There'll be 2 videos linked in the description down below. You guys can enter over on those, the what I got for Christmas haul videos. And then to enter on this video, you just gotta be subscribed to the channel, hit that red button down below, and turn on notifications. Be a part of the notification gang for more giveaways like this. And of course, hit that like button and comment down below your honest thoughts and opinions on the Zebra Yeezy Boost 350 V2. You can talk about the shoe in general, you can talk about the restock happening. Just let me know your thoughts on this shoe and include your Instagram name so I can contact you if you want, and follow us on Instagram at SneakerTalk365. But yeah, I absolutely love the Zebras, and even though these are restocked and become pretty much a general release Yeezy, these are still my favorite Adidas Yeezy Boost to date. So shout out to Adidas for, you know, making more pairs, making them more available for all the people who missed out and did not want to pay resale, because the resale was really high on these. With that said, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for watching to the very end of the video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.